Welcome to Modding Home. Hi friends, watch how one kitchen completely changes just by changing color. First one is black versus red. Black is bold, red is dramatic. Same kitchen, two powerful modes. Sage versus bake. Sage feels calm, bake feels warm, simple, soft, Scandinavian. Navy versus terracotta. Navy gives depth, terracotta adds warmth, same style, different energy. Charcoal versus mustard. Charcoal is edgy, mustard is lively, industrial with two vibes. White versus light grey. White look crisp, grey feels soft, minimal and modern. Dove grey versus off-white. Dove grey is elegant, off-white is airy and clean. Dusty rose versus slate. Rose brings warmth, slate brings calm. Burgundy versus cream. Burgundy is rich, cream is classic and gentle. Olive versus burnt orange. Olive is grounding, burnt orange is bold and warm. Pastel blue versus coral. Blue feels soothing, coral feels playful. Walnut versus creamy white. Walnut adds warmth, creamy adds brightness. Sage versus tape. Sage is fresh, tape is neutral and calm. Charcoal versus bullish pink. Charcoal is modern, bullish adds softness. Sky blue versus yellow. Sky blue is cool, yellow is cheerful. Teal versus amber gold. Teal is deep, gold is warm and luxurious. Palm versus mustard. Palm feels rich, mustard feels retro. Aqua versus sand bake. Aqua is refreshing, sand is relaxed. Light grey versus off-white. Grey adds quiet elegance, off-white feels clean. Graphite versus cherry wood. Graphite looks modern, cherry wood feels classic. Forest green versus tapio. Forest green feels lush, tapio feels timeless. Walnut brown versus soft cream. Walnut gives depth, cream gives softness. Navy versus gold. Navy is calm, gold adds glamour. Mint versus charcoal. Mint is fresh, charcoal is strong. Coral versus teal. Coral is warm, teal is cool. Burgundy versus bake. Burgundy is dramatic, bake is simple and elegant. Lavender versus buttered yellow. Lavender is dreamy, yellow is happy. Black versus white. Black is bold, white is timeless. Baby blue versus chocolate brown. Blue feels airy, brown feels cozy. Terracotta versus slate blue. Terracotta warm, slate cool. Dove grey versus saffron yellow. Grey stays neutral, saffron adds energy. Which color version did you like most? Tell us in the comment and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.